Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video is going to be a application video. I'm gonna show you guys how I apply my lace wig with the Chic Bond Premium Invisible Hole Lace Glue. Go check it out in a store near you. This video is in collaboration with Chic Bond, and we also have a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. Chic Bond is a new lace glue, and it is made for sensitive skin and oily skin. So if you fall in any of those categories, this is also going to be a great lace glue for you. And if you're just in the realm of looking for new lace glue, this is amazing. It dries clear, so you don't have to worry about the shiny film on your head. It dries really quickly if you apply it thinly. If you apply a thin layer or do 2 thin layers, you can apply your wig in that. Compared to like when I use Got to Be Free Spray, it takes me a very long time to get my wig tacked down or sprayed down with the Got to Be Free Spray. But with this, I blow dry this 2 times on high, and then it's tacky and it's ready to go. So I really enjoy and love this lace glue, and I think you should check it out. Keep on watching for the application process so you guys can see it in detail. So when you're doing wig application, you want to make sure you apply your wig cap. Seeing that my hair is so short, I don't really need a wig cap. I'm gonna put on this wig. I know my wig kind of look a bit dusty, but okay, we're gonna transform it. It's a curly wig that I combed out the curls, so that's why. I like to clip back this hair very taut, very tightly, lifting up the lace. So now I'm gonna apply a thin layer of the Chic Bond glue. If you want something that's gonna hold a little bit longer than Got to Be glue, this will be your best friend. And if you're new and you just want to mark where your lace is gonna fall, you can do that, but because I've been doing this for a while, kind of know. But now that it's drying clear, you can see that it's getting clear. I'm gonna add a second layer of this. So I'm applying the Chic Bond Lace Glue, and when I do so, I like to apply it in 3 sections, and the first section being my forehead. And I'm also using a edge brush to spread the product evenly. I did 2 layers, so laying down the first layer, blow drying it, waiting until it gets clear and tacky, then adding the second layer, spreading it, making sure it's thin, blow drying that, waiting until it's tacky, and then I apply the wig to the area. As for applying the wig to the other two sections, which is the side, a lot of you guys know that if you're using Got2b, this probably takes the longest, but with the Chic Bond, it actually takes a shorter period of time to apply it if you put down a little bit more product or you do a extra layer. So if you want to do a third layer or you put down a little bit more product, still making sure that it's spread evenly, you should be good and it should be secure for a week. And this glue gets pretty tacky very easy. It's not like Got2b freeze spray where you have to hold down the wig and blow dry it at the same time. If you are a beginner, it kind of makes it difficult, and with the Chic Bond it's more easier and it also takes less time. And all I'm doing is repeating the process on the other side, which is laying down a thin layer, blow drying it, laying down my second layer, and then blow drying it, waiting for it to get clear and tacky, then adding the lace. And honestly, if you want to make your job even easier, you can just hold down the lace with a comb or something and it will stay put. I'm also going to add a I'm gonna use a sock to tie it down. You can use a headscarf. I like using a sock just because it's so stretchy and you can get it around the perimeter of your hair very tight. So I'm using a sock to tie down my hair to make sure it's melted. A quick tip when doing lace melts is to make sure that with the first 28 hours of you doing a lace melt that you don't sweat or get your hair wet within the first 24 hours. That's just my quick tip. I'm going to get my Nairobi foam and my hot comb and flat iron that center part. I'm also going to get my tamer, my hair tamer, and this is just one I got from the beauty supply store, and also hot comb my middle part. I'm going to do a ponytail, and that is why I'm making sure that the top portion of my hair is really flat. I just pulled this wig up in a ponytail because I live in Florida and it's hot, and as you guys know, the hairpins are trendy now, so I put in 2 hairpins. But please go check out Chic Bond hair glue. It is really good and it's worth trying. Like, what do you have to lose? If you're tired of using got to be glue, freeze spray or gel because it gets too messy or it takes forever, try the Chic Bond glue. It's located in a beauty supply store near you. So let's get into the giveaway portion of this video. The first thing you guys are going to do is answer these 3 questions, and the first one is going to be, what was my first video that I uploaded on YouTube? The second one is, where in Jamaica am I from? The third one is, what am I studying at school? Because I'm currently in school. And then the fourth and final thing is, you got to go to my Instagram page and follow me. And then make sure when you're answering the questions, you tell me your Instagram name, because the winner is going to be randomly selected, but you have to follow me on Instagram to win the giveaway. So if you want to win the Chic Bond Premium Lace Glue, you have to follow all those steps. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. I hope this was beginner friendly and you are able to slay a lace frontal without even trying. Even if you're a beginner, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell me what type of videos you guys want to see as far as content is concerned, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.